YouTube, Dr. Yvette here. Welcome back to my channel. I am a beginning gardener, and what you see me doing here and throughout the duration of this video, I have made a decision that I am not going to grow certain vegetables in my raised bed. From just watching other YouTubers and other gardeners and them talking about the alkaline and the acidity and all these different things in your soil and what needs to be done in your raised bed, I've made a decision that I'm going to go a different route when it comes to planting my vegetables, because I am quasi-vegetarian and I consume a lot of vegetables. So there has to be a better way for me to produce heavily like my family does. So I am moving on to something else, but I am going to use these raised beds for the vegetables that I'm very good at growing, which I've learned are jalapenos. I'm not even willing to give it a second year to see if I do better with tomatoes and other things like that. But I am going to use the raised bed for flowers also, because I noticed that my lavender and some other plants did really well in these beds, like an herb spearmint, and I noticed that my random sunflowers are doing really well. So I am going to use these raised beds no matter what, because I paid for them and I've decorated them and I put up trellises and I've put lights on them and all these different things. So I am going to use them, but I'm going to use them for flowers. So wish me luck in that, and hopefully I'll have beautiful displays to be able to show you. If not fall, next spring for sure. So I hope you enjoy this video, and here I'm just cleaning up the beds, and then I go into planting some of the sunflower variety in my larger bed. Happy gardening. Okay, my YouTubers, I wanted to show you just the water that had come through with the hurricane. And of course, you saw me clean out these beds, but I wondered if any of this water had something to do with why the vegetables just died and didn't do so well.